and it is my pleasure to present the Springbrook nitrate levels and macroinvertebrates presentation done by the Oshkosh Norris Chemistry Club. And to start this presentation, I'm just going to kind of introduce everyone on our squad. So this is Addie Schmitz, Sydney Burns, Mabel Kluneman. This is Sabrina, Becca, Ellie, Jack, Ike, Tegan, and Steven.
So last year we were given 5 questions at the symposium, and these questions were: how many nitrate samples have been taken for the Springbrook stream? Which testing location has the highest level of nitrates in the spring? What external pressures are affecting Springbrook water quality? And what kind of relationship do nitrate levels and water quality have in Springbrook? And the one highlighted in red is the question that we're answering this year. And our presentation is focused around what external pressures are affecting the Springbrook ecosystem, and specifically the macroinvertebrates.
Our hypothesis is that if the nitrate levels are high, then the macroinvertebrates are low in number.
All right, so some of the wildlife that we were able to see along the river as we were doing our water testing were possum, deer, raccoons, and then the water life that we saw was crayfish and frogs.
Okay, so here's our nitrate level data from various years. It's everyone's averages based on season, and you can see our creek Springbrook is a lot higher than everyone else's. On the next slide, we have the averages of the seasons, and Springbrook still has the highest nitrate levels based on all the data.
All right, this is the macroinvertebrate data for Springbrook. As we can see, most of our water quality is below fair, and even in some years below poor. So that's what we observed.
As you can see, in 2013, it was quite lower than all the other years. We attributed this to the weather and how extreme it was that year, with the hottest day being August 27th at 93, the hottest month in July at 89, coldest day December 30th at -14, and the coldest month at December at 9 degrees.
All right, we decided to compare our stream to a few healthier streams to see if their nitrate levels also reflected their macroinvertebrates. So here we have Apple Creek, which is a little bit healthier than our stream, and they have declined in recent years. However, they did remain above the poor line, even into the fair in the first couple years. And then in this next one, we compared it to Duck Creek, which is a lot healthier than ours, and their macroinvertebrate levels are very high, well above the fair line. They're doing good, and they also had very good nitrate levels, so that kind of was coherent with our hypothesis.
And when looking at our most recent trial from mid-March, we found macroinvertebrate count to be low compared to our most recent trial from previous years.
In the samples that we collected, we were only able to observe 2 different macroinvertebrates. We observed the pollution-resistant aquatic sow bug and Trubifex worm.
Okay, so here we have various pictures of our stream. So at this site, you can notice that it has a rock bed, and there's a large amount of vegetation along the side. Here you see a lot more vegetation. It's not groomed at all. Here's another site at the bottom left. It's a lot skinnier, and it no longer has a rock bed. And along this side, that side's not very groomed, but this side is like a lawn, someone's lawn. More of the vegetation. We actually did the testing at one of the sites underneath the bridge. That was a picture of that. There's a bridge right there, and at that one over there, the skinnier section, you notice that there's like a tree overhanging, a lot of vegetation ahead.
So this is a picture of the Chem Club at Oshkosh North High School. And as you can see, the grass grows right into where the cook is. And this picture right here, that's me. And I'm holding a Japanese lantern.
Okay, so here's just more pictures of our stream. Yeah, even more.
So our conclusion states that Springbrook has poor water quality and high nitrate levels compared to previous data from 2004 to 2014. The macroinvertebrate data suggests the hypothesis is correct. High nitrate levels could possibly inhibit macroinvertebrates. Apple Creek also has high nitrate levels and low biotic indices. Duck Creek has low nitrate levels and relatively high biotic indices.
Okay, so to kind of wrap up our presentation, I just want to share our future ideas. And our future ideas would to be compared further to healthy streams such as Apple or Duck Creek, and also to test the nitrate levels and the stream velocity. Thank you.